and gentlemen, folks. Oh, wait a minute. Not I already said ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, what's happening? It is a beautiful Thursday afternoon. I'm just getting off work, and there's a beautiful package on the doorstep. For those who don't know, I've been waiting on this for quite some time. That's all I'm gonna say. I ain't gonna say nothing negative. But we are getting ready to open this junk up together. So let me go find a knife or something, or maybe I even use my keys so we can see what is in the box. Here we go with the knife. Can't have y'all look at my address. I don't need those stalkers. Where they put some tape on this thing? Huh? All right, well, there we go. It's been destroyed now. My bad, cat. The cat that adopted this is always manages to be in the way. Boy, this knife is bully. This is not going according to plan. Yeah. Baby, hey. Box, that's correct. Box. Big box. You want to hold this for daddy? Beep. Box. Box. Can you hold this real quick? Thank you. Box. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a...
Get over here.
Kitty, yep.
Come here.
Come on. Y'all leave cat alone. Thank you. This is a sleeved K24, sleeved O-ring.
Didn't I say stop?
Prepared block, so that way I can make all of the boost. And this is going to go into the Mustang eventually. And thank you, baby. And you want to say hi to my loyal fan base?
Hey y'all, let me get in it. Hey, okay, that's enough.
Look at all my beautiful ladies. I don't know where my son is.
Yeah, I get my hair done. So I'm not finna be looking like this too much longer.
Aaliyah, what are you doing? Leave cat alone. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I'll be able to make all the boosts now. This is good for I know a bunch of people saying like
that's the ant bed.
Oh Lord, we got a lot going on here, y'all. Good like 14-ish. I do plan to one day get that high. It won't be the initial outing, but I do plan on getting there. But I am super happy. It's been a long time coming. Plan on getting some Troms and some Turbo Toughs and putting the bottom end together. I will be doing a head tube spring and retainer. But this first iteration is going in the Mustang is just going to be stock K24. Ladies, y'all want to say anything to the camera? Aaliyah,
say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You gotta tell the camera. Look, you gotta tell the camera. Say bye-bye.
Aaliyah, say bye-bye.
So, yeah, see, I told y'all Leandro don't love me no more. Since y'all last seen me, my hair is still in terrible condition.
You don't care.
But I most definitely do. I keep asking and she keeps telling me.
Come on, let's go get the edge control.
All right, come on, we about to go. She's gonna control my edges. Yes, box. So yeah, as I was saying, it is going to be. What's up, man? You gonna come get in the video too?
I want to get in the video.
So Junie's fresh out of school, like everybody else. All of my children are now home, but that's what we dropped off for your birthday in Tampa. That's my motor. I finally got it back. Yep.
Hey guys, before y'all go, I just want to let y'all know, when I get taller than my dad, y'all gonna have to subscribe, all of y'all. Okay?
So they gotta wait. Thank you.
Like half a year.
Dude, you look so cute.
Thank you.
Anywho, as I was saying, yeah, like I said, I'll be able to make a decent amount more power than I can on a stock block or stock internal block and everything. So like I said, the motor's going in there. It literally just has rods and pistons. Junior, put that in center for me, please. Make sure you keep it face down. Keep a good grip on it. Thank you. And yeah, I'm excited because like I said, I've been waiting on this thing for a while. But this is just a little update video because I got a very important part in, and I will, as soon as the CRX sells, which if anybody's out there looking, I do have a turbo B16 CRX for sale. It is done for all intents and purposes. It's still not tuned, but it is a running, driving turbo B16 with a good base map on it that we use from another one of our pretty much identical setups, same size injector, same size turbo, everything else. And it made 500 on E85. So anywho, yeah, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. I have to go chase children because they are running amok in the front yard, and I don't trust them because they're almost 2. Junior, you got anything to say?
Don't be good.
The only
be
thing I
great.
gotta say, don't be good, be great. Stay in school, don't do drugs.
Good answer. Good answer. Like you said, y'all know the vibes. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and don't be good.
Be great.
Going up like an elevator headed to the pit. Feeling Superman, call me Joppa Kent. Got me bent. If you thinking you can overthrow my squad, oh my God, no face shaking when you.